Hello, in this video we will see how we can customize the page headers in Google Sites. It's very simple and easy. Let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open our Google Sites and then it will be looking like this. Now we need to customize the header. So this is the header part and here we are seeing a background is there. Background image is there. If we want to remove this background, we can move our cursor over here and then we will see this type of option like header types. If we click header types, then it will be like this. So it is cover, large banner and title. If you want to keep only the title, then we have to choose this thing. So the background, everything, all the images will be removed. And if we want to choose the banner, we need to choose it like this way. And if we want a larger banner, then we have to choose this one and it will be updated automatically. And now if you want this style as a cover image or cover text, cover type of website, then we can use this thing cover, and here it will be looking like this thing. But I'm going to keep it like banner, and so that it will be looking nice. And then if we after doing these changes, we can click anywhere and it will be saved, and then finally we can publish it. Now let's do one other thing. We want to modify the page background image of this header. So we have to move our cursor over this header and then we'll find this menu again, and from here we have to choose image. There is a drop down. If we click here, it will bring two options. One is upload and select. If we click select, then it will bring us different options from where we can choose the image. So there are different images are here. You can choose any of the image, or you can also upload any image and you can link to this website. If you have Google photos or images, you can also do. And if you have some image on your Google Drive, you can also import from there. But I'm going to choose gallery, and from here I'm going to choose a nice background which is like black color, because our logo is this color and this is like black, so I don't see any black is there. So what I'm going to do, so this is looking nice. It's not black, but we can use it. So I'm going to click here, and then after that we have to click this insert button, and it will be inserted like this way. And if you want to upload your own image, basically your own like captured image or created image using Canva or Illustrator, you can also upload it from here, from this image, and then we can upload it from here. Upload, and then you can upload it from here. I'm not going to show you how to do this thing. It's pretty simple for it. You just need to select the image and then you have to upload it. And now you did this modification, right? And then it's time to publish these changes, these customized changes of our website. To do this thing, we just need to press this publish button and it will bring this type of window. Here it is showing this is the current version. No, this is the like updated version, and this is the current version. So if we want to change this thing, then we have to press this publish button, and then very shortly it will be published. And once it is published, we can check the site how it is looking from here. There is a drop down here. We just need to click here and it will bring this type of menu, and from here we have to choose view publish site. Once we click here, then the page will be a new tab will be open, and here you will see that the updated background of this header has been changed. And if we want to modify any other thing, we can also do here. I mean, if we modify here any other thing, it will be here. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily customize page headers in Google site. Thank you guys for watching the video.